Hi guys, welcome to the new course which is AI 900. This is Microsoft Azure AI Fundamental course and my name is Maruti Makwana. I would like to welcome you to this new course in which we are going to deep dive into Azure AI Fundamentals, where we will learn how AI can be used with Azure Cloud. We are also going to focus on different areas of Azure AI like AI vision, AI language, how can we generate things with Gen AI, or how Azure AI is connected with OpenAI or machine learning. All these things we are going to discuss in this Azure AI Fundamentals. If you are planning for getting certified in AI, this is a perfect course for you because we have AI 900 Microsoft certification exam. How to clear that exam, everything is going to be covered in this particular course. Now before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is Maruti Makwana. I'm actually a Microsoft certified trainer having industry experience of almost 17 years now. These are some of my clients for whom I have delivered session in my past, and I have trained various roles of IT professionals like IT developers, Azure developers, Azure administrators, Azure data engineers, DevOps engineers, and AI engineers. Now in this course, because it's a fundamental course, we are going to talk about all the basics of Azure AI. If you are familiar with Azure Cloud Fundamentals, that's perfect. If you're not familiar with Azure Cloud Fundamentals, I strongly recommend you to go through our course of AZ 900, which is going to take you through all the fundamentals of Azure Cloud. And after this, Azure AI Fundamental is a perfect course for you. The first thing I want you to see right now is this particular link, which is the official link of this course. This is the Microsoft Azure AI Fundamental course, which is provided from Microsoft. And what exactly we are going to learn in this particular course is which is mentioned here. We will start with fundamentals of AI concepts. We have fundamentals of machine learning, where we will understand how AI and machine learning both are connected. Then we will talk about specifically Azure AI and what offerings are available from Azure side in Azure AI services. Then we'll talk about computer vision, which is going to help me to do image classification, identification with video analysis, and many more things. Then we'll talk about facial recognition, optical character recognition, which is known as OCR. Then we are going to talk about text analytics with language services, question answering solution with language service, so that you can develop some kind of a bot applications where you can ask questions and that particular automated bot is going to answer that. And then you can also develop a conversational language understanding model. We will talk about Azure AI speech. We will talk about Azure AI document intelligence. And then finally, we are going to talk about knowledge mining solutions with Azure AI search. All these parts are actually going to talk about fundamentals of all the AI aspects. So if you don't know these words, if you don't know these concepts, or maybe you want to develop applications using these concepts, this course is going to clear fundamentals of all these concepts. Finally, we have generative AI and Azure OpenAI, which are some of the buzzwords which are right now ruling the market. So obviously you will be interested in these words and how Azure and OpenAI both integrate with each other. And then last but not the least, we have to talk about the responsible generative AI. So when you're using AI, you have to follow responsible AI principles. What are these principles? How can we take care of those things while developing applications using Azure AI? All these things we are going to learn in this course. If you want to get certified, there are two things which you need to check. First, this is a page which is going to show you all the detailed skills which are required for Azure AI. These are the skills which you need to develop if you want to clear the certification of Azure AI Fundamentals. Again, we have a course specific modules, but in this particular link, which is the exam page link, you also have some practical assessments. You can give these assessments and you can check your knowledge. Whatever you have learned from this course, at the end of this, I strongly recommend you to go through this link and take this particular practical assessment before going for certification exam. If you want to book an exam, well, we have links available on this. You can schedule your exam based on your country choice. Based on that, you will get your different pricing for that. And if you're done with the exam, congratulations, you are Azure AI certified. Now, this is one link which is going to be useful for you after this course, because if you want to go for Azure AI certification, then you can book the exams and you can get the details about that. But The third and the important link which I'm sharing with you here is actually going to give you all the practical exercises which you have to do during this course. This particular URL of GitHub is going to be giving you all the practical exercise information with each and every step which you need to do in order to understand all the concepts with practical hands-on. Obviously, in order to do this hands-on, you need to have an Azure subscription with AI services enabled inside that, but I will guide you through this in the coming videos. In this case, these 3 links are going to be very important for you. So I am just going to show you these links on screen, and I request you to make a video pause. Make sure that you have all these 3 links available with you all the time during this course. And remember, during this course, anytime if you have any questions, you can just reach out to us. We are always there to help you. Thank you so much. Happy learning.